And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Eat Well, Think Better, brought to you by the Soho Sphere. And today, it's gonna be a pleasure taking you on this recipe ride. We're gonna do a really simple yet delicious shrimp scampi. I can smell the garlic already, guys. Let's take a look at these ingredients. We have some shallots and garlic. It's gonna be essential to make our sauce really rich in flavor. Obviously some parsley as well is gonna be a beautiful pop of color, and then a little lemon for some acidity. Next, we have our ingredients for the sauce. This is gonna be the base. We have some olive oil, a little bit of wine to bring a little bit of depth to the dish and also lift up some of those shrimp flavors off the pan. And finally, a little bit of butter is gonna add a little bit of thickness and richness to our sauce. All right, guys, next on the ingredient list, we have some salt and pepper, you know, the basics for all cooking. We have a little bit of red pepper flakes. It's gonna bring a little heat to our dish, and then a little extra I like to add is herbs de Provence. It's just a nice mixture of different types of herbs, and it brings a good balance to the dish. And finally, of course, we have the vehicle to flavor. It's the angel hair pasta. It's gonna be covered in the sauce. Delicious, dripping, juicy. All right, guys, I'll stop, sorry. And finally, the star of the show, we have it resting in some ice to keep nice and cool and fresh. It's some shrimp. These are really great forms of non-red meat protein. They have a lot of antioxidants that are good for vision. Finally, have a lot of different omega fatty acids, which can be known to improve mood swings. All right, guys, so now we have these deveined, deshelled shrimp. I'm gonna spread them out a little bit. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and get them nice and seasoned. So this is to taste. What I like to do also is get some seasoning on the cutting board. It's gonna be helpful for when I kind of mix it around. Now what you're gonna wanna do is, I'm gonna get your hands a little dirty. You're gonna go ahead and mix them on up. Make sure that all sides of the shrimp are seasoned nicely. I'm gonna go give it a try. I think that's ready. Sounds good. All right, guys, and we're just gonna wait, let it sit for about a minute or two before we flip it over. And this is what we're trying to see, that nice, beautiful pink color. You're gonna start noticing that it's a little less see-through. You get that beautiful, vibrant color. Gonna lift all that nice caramelized shrimp flavor with a little bit of white wine, guys. It's about a half a cup full. You go ahead and take your tongs, your spatula, whatever you got. Go ahead and give that a little swirl there. All right, guys, we are here. It's been about 15 minutes or so. Our food is finally ready. It's looking beautiful, smelling delicious. I cannot wait to try it out. There's only one more thing to say, guys. On behalf of Soho MD and Soho Sphere, we're thankful you guys joined us today for another delicious recipe. We look forward to seeing you guys on the next episode. Bon appetit, guys. Let's give it a little taste there. Oh my goodness. And I'll take a bite out of this. I just want to sing chestnuts roasting on an open fire. I don't know why, it makes no sense. It's so good.